This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, July 21st. Stock index futures coming under some pressure. This after the European Central Bank hiked interest rates more than expected by 50 basis points versus the expectation of a 25 basis point increase. Also, we are seeing most economic reports coming in weaker than expected. That would include the jobless claims coming in higher, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index coming in with a big negative number when a small positive number was anticipated, and the June leading indicators coming in down 0.8%. That was also worse than the guess of down 0.5%. But futures seem to be holding up fairly well in the last couple of weeks, as it appears that the Fed may be a bit less hawkish later this year than they have been talking about over the last month or so. So that seems to be a supportive factor. Currency markets seeing the European Central Bank hiking rates a bit more aggressively. That temporarily supported the euro, but those gains have been given back now. That is a sign of weakness for the euro currency, and I do believe that we will see a return trip to parity to the US dollar and probably under parity for the euro currency. So from here, look for lower in the euro currency, higher in the dollar index. And in the interest rate futures markets, some pressure with the ECB raising rates more than anticipated. But I think that we will see recovery. I think higher prices are likely today. Also, I think higher prices are in the longer term, likely to advance as well. There's a symmetrical triangle in the 30-year Treasury bond futures that ultimately I think will be penetrated to the upside. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.